Hey everyone, just wanted to make a really quick video today about this Audi A3. So we've just picked up this Audi A3 tonight, and it's actually not too bad. It's in pretty good nick. There's a few things wrong with it. It's seeping a bit of engine oil. It actually overheated a little bit when we were driving back, but I think that's probably just a thermostat issue. But what's really interesting is that the car is currently owned by a dealer. So this person was actually pretending to be a private sale and saying that they didn't know anything about cars, they didn't know anything at all, and they don't really know what's wrong. But quite obviously, if it's registered to a dealer, they are actually lying. And I checked this as well. I checked their name. I'll flash up some screenshots from my phone, and I also checked their company directors and company shareholders. And he is definitely one of the shareholders and directors of the company, and he's also on their website as well, listed under their name. So it's quite interesting actually, and it's unfortunately it's quite common apparently for this to happen, because on the New Zealand Consumer Rights website, they actually mention specifically that you have to be watch out when you're buying a car privately, that it may actually be a dealer. Just trying to get rid of their bad stock, or trying to get rid of trade-ins or cars that they don't really want to keep anymore. What's really interesting as well is that you're actually covered under the Consumer Guarantees Act and the Fair Trading Act if this person is a registered dealer. So it'll be interesting to see how the story pans out. I'm going to give the consumer, what do you call them, the consumer department a call tomorrow, and try and figure out what we can do. But certainly I think they've picked the wrong people to mess with, because I honestly think dealers are very dodgy, and this is probably not going to help with that impression. But we'll definitely try and see what happens. I think ideally they should fix all of the issues that are wrong with the car, and we should get a car that's completely fixed at the end of the day. And then they should really learn their lesson, because this is not what you should do, especially in New Zealand when you're covered by all of these different laws. Cool, so stay tuned and we'll see what happens to this car.